Hello, I'm Brianna Raish, and today I'll be speaking with Dr. Richard Clement. Thank you for joining us, Doctor.
Thank you.
Dr. Clement has been practicing medicine for over 25 years, and he also has developed his own nutritional line, which we will be discussing one of his products in particular. It's called Hepatika V5. It's an all-natural but very effective liver cleanser and detoxifier. Doctor, why do people need to take a liver cleansing product?
Because most of the people, the general population, when they start aging, start to develop digestive complaint, and later on they have a little bit of problems to lose weight, and they have an intolerance to alcohol or medication. All those signs or symptoms are signs of liver dysfunction. But many patients also have no symptoms at all on their liver, which is a very important organ, start to dysfunction.
Well, surely what would be one thing they can look for to know they might have a liver concern?
As I mentioned, fatigue is one of the important symptoms. The inability to lose weight, increase cholesterol or triglycerides will be some symptoms of impaired liver function.
Well, it sounds like a lot of people are in need of some liver detoxification. Who would you say is most at risk?
I think that when you look at studies, you find out that over 50% of the population has some functional liver disturbance. The liver test might not be showing anything, but if you will do a biopsy or if you will look at what's called clearance test, it means that you give a substance, you see how the person eliminates that substance, you will find out that 50% of the population has a certain degree of liver impairment.
Now, would Hepatica V5 be a supplement you would take on a daily basis, like a multivitamin, or would it be taken, as a short duration?
I think that, I like to call it the oil change. Do you change the oil of your car all the time? No, you do it from time to time. So to take a course of the Hepatica V5 would be to take 1 capsule 3 times a day for 1 or 2 months and see about your improvement. Some people who have a serious liver condition, they might want to talk to a physician to find out if they have to take it for a longer period of time, if it can be associated with other medications such as statins or other types of medications.
What could a user expect to feel after taking Hepatica V5?
All the substances which are in Hepatica V5 have been shown in clinical studies. The individual ingredients have some data to support their use to improve the liver function. So it will improve the liver functions, help the patients to have less fatigue, to be able to metabolize better the nutrients, to be able to tolerate medications on alcohol, and also will help in the process of decreasing the cholesterol while improving the hormonal status of the patients.
And please highlight those ingredients that are in Hepatica V5.
In Hepatica V5, you see, you have a lot of formulas on the market. You have to be simple. You can put 250 ingredients, but the quantity they will have no therapeutic action. So you need to have sufficient dosage, and what we did with the Hepatica V5, who's been developed over 10 years now, is to include milk thistle, which is the #1 remedy for liver detox. There is hundreds of publications on the effect of milk thistle. We have also alpha-lipoic acid, who has many studies to show about liver improvement. We have curcumin. Curcumin is a fantastic substance. Research it on the internet. It is anti-cancer. We have also a substance which is called artichoke. And artichokes has some digestive and kidney properties. It has some natural diuretic effect, so it helps to lose some water. And we have the last ingredient, which is called boldo. Boldo is very famous all over South America because it improves digestive function.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. I think I'd like to get myself a bottle. Where can people find this?
Mainly we've been selling the products to practitioners. So it's mainly practitioners who've been dispensing the medications. You can also find it on our website. And this is a product who has been used for more than 10 years. And we use pharmaceutical grade ingredients. We use FDA visited facilities, and we have also a very reasonable price for the product because we want the patients to be able to afford the supplements in our difficult economy. we need to be reasonable. So we have high quality at a reasonable price.
Hepatika V5 is a supplement that everyone could benefit from. It's all natural, pharmaceutical grade ingredients, and it supports healthy liver functioning. Doctor, where can they find this product?
Most of the time we started and we only sold to practitioners, but you can also have access to our website where people can purchase the product, and we have also some reference on the studies that I mentioned about the clinical efficacy of the product.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much.